Duane Napier, I'm a sales executive with Stoneridge Software.
And I'm Nasser, sales executive with Stoneridge Software as well.
Stoneridge Software, we're an implementation partner with Microsoft covering the entire D365 stack. So we're talking about ERP from Great Plains all the way up to finance and operations, CRM, Power Platform, Copilot, all that. So that's all we focus on is the D365 stack. Implementation partner with full coverage for support.
And you forgot to mention, Duane, we are an Inner Circle partner.
How could I forget that?
And what is an Inner Circle partner, you may ask? An Inner Circle partner is the top 1% partners of partners in the world.
And we love that.
And we love that. And our clients love that.
Absolutely. They tell us all the time.
I know.
We love that about you.
The value that DynamicsCon Live brings to us is just that amazing community and the ability for our speakers to engage with people that are really trying to learn about the platform, trying to understand and connect with other folks just like them, how best to utilize the Dynamics and the Power Platforms. So that whole sense of community and knowledge sharing, I think is what we really get a lot of value out of that.
And I'll add to that there's so many people here that really have experienced this for the first time, and they're just blown away at that sense of community. So we love to give back as well.
My favorite thing about the Doug community is the happy hour. No, just kidding.
So my favorite thing about the Doug community is just all of the user groups coming together no matter what you're working on. You can find companies like Stoneridge that do all of that, and just again, find that sense of community. So the Doug community coming together as DynamicsCon is a great one-stop show.